Hello, Orienteta. It's been a while since we last had our phone conversation, email, or even chat. Pero I missed you, both of you, and the rest of the guys. Ngayon, medyo, syempre, una happy ako, but at the same time, medyo naninibago ko ngayon yung isa sa major event sa barkada na hindi ko mawi-witness. Kasi dati, kahit mga fiestahan sa malalayong baryo, I'm always present, pati sa mga birthday or kasal ng mga malalayong kaibigan or kapatid ng mga kaibigan, nandun ako. Pero ngayon nakasal ng isa sa mga closest friends na kasama pa since high school, hindi ko mawi-witness or hindi ako makaka-attend. Pero, um, happy pa rin ako dito. I can always celebrate with you. And I'm looking forward na makasama ko na kayo or kunyari maka-attend ako ng first birthday ng firstborn nyo. I wish that, or call it an advice, that you'll always have God as the center of relationship. Um, I always give this advice to every friend who gets married. I just believe in Him that He's the only key to a successful union or marriage, as you may call it. Mm, what else? Yun lang. I really, really miss you, and I just I will be praying for your relationship, and God bless, and that's it. Best wishes.